Goa police has constituted one special investigation team to investigate the fake rape cases lodged in many police stations across Goa. It has come into the light that a gang from Gujarat is operating in Goa which lodges fake rape cases against innocent businessmen with intention to extort money from them. Couple of months back, a female member of this gang had lodged a fake rape case with Panji women police stations. Later on, another female member of this gang had lodged a fake rape case with Kulwale police. This matter was exposed when another female member of this gang had approached Kalangut police to register FIR against another businessman with the same intention. But money was extorted and she refused to register complaint. And then Kalangut police was alarmed and superiors got information, and then it was exposed that a wide network of this gang is operating in the state. In view of the complex nature of these crimes and wide network of this gang, Goa police has now constituted the SIT. Prudent has learnt that SIT members have held one meeting and they have decided next plan of action. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.